Google Veo 3 is one of the most powerful AI video generators available today, but there's a problem. It's currently only available in the United States. If you're located outside the US, you won't be able to access it even after signing up. So in this video, we're going to explore 5 powerful alternatives to Veo 3 that you can use from anywhere in the world. And the best part, most of them give you free credits after sign up. 1. Kling.ai. Kling.ai delivers 1080p, 30 FPS footage with industry-leading physics and strong character continuity, matching Veo 3's hallmark realism. Its multi-elements editor lets you insert, replace, or delete objects mid-scene, something Veo still requires multiple passes to achieve. Turnaround time on a typical 15-second clip is under 2 minutes, making it one of the fastest queues among top-tier models. The interface includes fine-grained negative prompt controls, useful for removing unwanted artifacts and keeping brand palettes consistent. New users receive a permanent free tier that refreshes a small batch of credits each day, letting you test outputs before upgrading to paid plans. 2. Dreamina. Dreamina, often dubbed After Effects with an AI engine, combines text-to-image, image-to-video, sound sync, and dynamic camera moves inside a unified timeline. Its painterly, stylized look is ideal for fantasy trailers, anime-inspired shorts, or brand spots that need a distinctive visual identity, areas where Veo's photoreal bias can feel limiting. A built-in storyboard panel lets you chain multiple scenes and transitions without leaving the editor, streamlining end-to-end production. The platform integrates voice cloning and lip sync, enabling quick dialogue sequences without external audio tools. Upon sign-up, you typically receive around 150 free credits every 24 hours, enough for several short videos or an extended multi-scene test project. 3. Pixverse. Pixverse focuses on cinematic motion. You can define camera paths, tracking shots, and reference stills to nail a specific mood, perfect for music videos and product openers. Its latest model adds 4K upscaling and smoother frame interpolation, while Veo's public tier remains capped at 1080p for most users. The prompt system allows mixed media inputs, text, sketches, and photographic references, giving directors granular control over lighting and composition. A style match toggle lets you lock brand colors and fonts so each generation fits an existing identity kit. First-time users receive roughly 100 starter credits and a rolling 30-credit daily bonus, so you can iterate on concepts without paying up front. 4. Vidu AI. Vidu AI generates full HD clips in about 10 seconds and excels at face animation and voice sync dialogue, making it a strong choice for narrative or explainer content. Its character lock feature tracks facial landmarks across shots, reducing the drift that can plague longer Veo sequences. An off-peak mode lets you queue unlimited renders overnight, bypassing daytime congestion and effectively acting as a free compute window. Developers can access a documented API for programmatic generation, ideal for bulk ad variations or A/B testing. The free tier pool refreshes daily. Combined with off-peak mode, many users produce several minutes of content each week without spending a cent. 5. Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI specializes in stylized and anime-influenced motion, but its director model also grants precise control over dolly, zoom, and parallax effects, tools Veo reserves for higher-cost enterprise tiers. A layer-based editor lets illustrators import flat art, then choreograph depth, camera sweeps, and particle effects to bring panels to life. Rapid reroll capability generates alternate takes in seconds, which is invaluable when fine-tuning choreography or color grading. For social content, Hailuo offers automatic aspect ratio presets and caption tracks, saving time on platform-specific exports. New accounts receive a one-time 500 credit bonus plus a recurring 100 credit daily allowance, making it one of the most generous free tiers on the market. While Google Veo 3 remains a benchmark, geo-restrictions leave much of the world searching for viable substitutes. Kling.ai is the closest match for photoreal realism. Dreamina excels at stylized storytelling. Pixverse brings advanced cinematography. Vidu AI dominates rapid dialogue scenes. And Hailuo AI offers unmatched free credits for experimentation. Which alternative will you try first? Share your thoughts or sample links in the comments. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the latest AI video technology. See you in the next tutorial.